Hi, in the last video we have implemented these triggers for our spells successfully. Right now we just need to implement the logic to ask Voldemort here to automatically attack us, within an interval. So let's do that. And all right, to continue from our last commit, and I can first go to the app.js here and implement another spell for our world mode. So what do we have here? So world mode should have some spells, right? And two spells. And one is Avada Kedavra. Okay, the next one is Summon Dementor. Great. Default should be false, just the same. And okay, so what do we need here? We should give a sort of one more data property, and this time it's going to be called world mode is attacking us to false. So right now I actually need to give an initial value of game is running to false, because I want this to be a trigger to our start game when we click the start button, and it's going to, after the game is start running equals to true, I want to set our world mode is attacking to true as well. Great. And then we can start watching this property in our watch method. So here is the method. Here's the method end. Here we just put in a watch property, and I want to watch Voldemort is attacking here. And let's console.log this dot Voldemort is attacking. Okay. True, as you can see from here. Okay, it works. So now I just need to set an interval. Set interval, passing a error function so that we won't be keeping we will be keeping this keyword from the outside of this synchronous function, asynchronous function. I want this to be 3000 interval. So 3000 milliseconds. Every 3000 milliseconds, we are going to calculate a new sort of index for our attack. So is it gonna be okay? So spell index should be equals to mass.floor and mass.random times 2. So mass.random will give us 0 to 1, 0 to 0.9999. So times 2 will be 0 to 1.9999, and by mass flow that value we get either 0 or 1 inside our spell index during each interval. Alright, once the spell index is obtained, we can then say spell index. If it's equals to 0, I want this to be pointing to Avada Kedavra. We can also don't put something the 0 equals to 0 here. So because our spell index can either be a 0, a falsy value, or 1, a truthsy value. So we can do that here. But just in case, we later will implement more spells in Voldemort skill site. I think this method is better. It's clearer this way. Okay, so this should be Avada Kedavra. So what we want to do with Avada Kedavra? So first thing I can think of is I want to take this as reference. I want to set another property called this water mode is a casting spell. So true. So let's just give this property here. Water mode is casting spell to false, and here it equals to true. All right. What else do we need? So I want to bind this action with the actual thing here. Let me think. Let me find what we want. Okay, we are going to find wand. Water mode wand. Cast spell. Is this spell? Okay. Copy the same thing here and implement in bottommost. Already. Okay. And let's go to the model here. Where did we do the animation here? Okay. So we just need to implement here. Dot world mod. Okay, I'm just putting here first. Okay, it's called cast spell. Great. Great. So what else? And we are going to say this dot world mod. Okay, this time. Yeah. In here as well. So, and this is going to be bind with our container, spell container for world mod as well. So this is our spell container, and let's give it a class. Would be equals to okay world mod spells dot Avada, and we will just implement the same thing for object. Okay, just now did we implement? Okay, this is also object. Okay. Summon Dementors. Great. And I disclose this one, and I go to the spells. I put in the animation here. Great. Okay. So now in here, what do we want? We need to set timeout this time. Passing an error function, retain this keyword, and after the spell is almost checked, 1/6 milliseconds, we are going to make these two back to normal. Okay, and before we do that, we can first check this dot Harry spell, cast the spell here, and when is it equals to spell, we need to check Protego spell. Yeah, it's true. if this protocol is functioning, Harry is casting the spell, meaning its value is true. We should unshift some values here. Okay, I will use this as template. We will shift Harry block the killing curse using what? Protocol. And else we will deal damage to Harry. So this dot Harry health minus equals to 10, and we will then log it as well. So we will get this a false value. So world, okay, upper letter world mod dealt 20 damages to Harry using Avada Kedavra. Okay, 20 damages. And we are going to check this dot check win here. And let me just give it some sort here, else if over this dot Harry's health. So Harry health is smaller equals to 0 in this case. Same here. You lost. Start new game if it's great. And little bit will stop the interval and think about how to stop the interval. But right now we'll just check the set interval function and implement the two spells. So okay. So we will be using the same template, but this time I will call this summon the Dementor. We are going to cast the Dementor away using his patronum. We do 50 damage. By check wing. Okay, let's check. Great. So there is a problem in the app.js. Let's see. Okay. So away by using his patronum. summoning. Okay. Check. Great. 50. All right. So basically we need to be able to cast our spell faster, and yeah, we want to be faster when we start to. Let's just see if we can actually block a spell first. Okay, it doesn't seem like we can block any spells. Yeah. Let's recheck here. Hmm. Well, alright, I will think about this, and in the next video, let's solve that problem, how to make this winnable, and actually be able to block the damage. I will give it a little bit test. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.